Looking for a trick to create a YouTube link of your channel for subscription? Here's how you can do it. You can easily create a link to your YouTube channel by editing your URL the URL of your channel. You just type !, sub underscore confirmation equals 1, and you save the link, copy the link. You go to bit.ly, bit.ly. It's the link shortener basically, and it is completely free. Paste your link here, shorten, and there you go. You copy it and you save it, and you can use this link in your description, and a pop-up will appear every time someone clicks on it like this. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you.